we sit here and ask ourselves, why did the duckies cross the road? And looks like once you have to cross on the road, we go slow. They hang out here every day. Excuse me, ducks. Where you guys going? Oh, back into the water. Mr. Henry. What's the matter, puppy? You don't like it? Are you sinking down? Come to daddy. Come on. You don't like it? Well, so we made it to Clearwater. We're actually staying in Tampa. Spent the day by the pool. Went out for dinner tonight, so we decided to start filming now. We needed a day to kind of unwind and relax. We didn't have to film everything. We took some pictures, so if you follow the Instagram, you see it. We're in Clearwater tonight. We had dinner at the Krabby place that we usually go to in Florida. And now we're at the beach, just hanging out. And tomorrow I think we're going to do the pool, so we want to take some video of that. And we're coming back on the beach tomorrow night. Little man is enjoying himself very much. He's very tired. It's getting a little past his bedtime right now. And we're just hanging out, watching the guy play the bongos while mommy's buying some souvenirs in the shop. I know this video's been kind of crazy. We started basically the first Celtics game on Easter that we went to, and then a little bit of the aquarium, and then here we are in Florida. It's been a lot of stuff going on. It's just a little guy. We didn't film a lot of stuff. It's just in the aquarium and Celtics game. But yeah, so here we are. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. We have a little bit more to this video for you, so stay tuned. What's the matter, puppy? You don't like it? Are you sinking down? Come to daddy. Come on. You don't like it? Alright, it's the next day. We're at the hotel. We went for a little walk. The little guy's trying to take a nap. And he's fighting it. So we decided, me and him, we're just going to go around the property and take a look. And this is the bay right here. I feel like I'm a little disoriented here. This is looking towards Tampa. Over there, that's another bridge that takes you, I think, to St. Pete. And then where behind us is the causeway going to Clearwater. And we're technically in Tampa, but our hotel's over there. This is this place called the Rusty Pelican. I guess they have lights and stuff here, it looks like. It's a beautiful day. Little man should be napping. Can't nap. So we gotta go for a little walk so he's not bothering everyone at the pool. Let mommy realize this video's been a little choppy. I mean, we started at Easter and now it's Memorial Day. So just apologize for that, as I said last night. But we're gonna head back to the pool. The sun's back out. Let's go for a swim while we still can. What's up, everybody? That was the day at the pool. We see some video. We didn't really play so much. We didn't want it to be copyright with the music and all that stuff. But we enjoyed the day. So I think we're gonna go back to the beach tonight. But I think we're actually gonna just lay low, go to a local restaurant nearby, and yeah, conclude the end of this little quick getaway right away. Thanks for that. So far it's been good. So far it's been great. It's a great hotel. I would definitely suggest staying at the Current. It's a little, I would say, upper scale. If you have little kids, probably not the best place. Little guy was good, but there's a couple times we had to take him for a walk. Just disturb people sitting there. But other than that, it was pretty good. So yeah. So next time you see us, we're gonna probably be at the restaurant tonight. Might take a little walk, but it's starting to rain right now. You can see the water. There's a DJ party going on up there, so they're scrambling to cover all the DJ equipment. But yeah, it's pretty cool. There we go. Tampa Florida. There we go. See the water right there. There we go. It's starting to rain. One of those Florida sunshine rain showers. I'm gonna go in before I get soaking wet. Left once the DJ started. This is the roof deck up here. And then once the rain started, everyone ran, but then the rain stopped like 15 minutes afterwards. Here's the pool party animal right here. Let's go get mama. Let's go get mama. Let's go get mama. Let's go get mama. Go this way. No, this way. Let's go this way. Back to Boston. Just got to the car. We thought we lost a ticket. We found it, thankfully, so we don't have to pay a fee. So now we gotta go pay for it while she's getting the car all set up. So that was the trip. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like these videos, please subscribe. I know it's kind of weird. We started in Easter and ended in Memorial Day, but not much has been going on. We're very busy and stuff. So thanks guys for watching. We'll talk to you soon. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.